want to earn money trading crypto without becoming a full-time chart watcher? Today, I'll break down two powerful ways to profit: P2P trading and arbitrage trading. They sound similar, but they are actually very different. I'll show you how they work, how I use them to make money, and how you can get started right from your phone. Hi, I'm Antoniette Tee, and I've been in the crypto space since 2019. I've also worked with major exchanges like MEXC Global and Bitget Global as a community builder. I have helped thousands of people, especially beginners, learn how to earn with crypto safely. And now here on Crypto with Antoniette Tee, I break it down simply so anyone can understand and earn. So let's dive into P2P and arbitrage. So what is P2P trading? P2P, which stands for peer-to-peer, is the buying or the selling crypto directly with another person, not the platform. Yes, you use the platforms, but you are trading directly with users. You are not trading with the platforms. So here you have the freedom of setting your own prices, payment methods, and even terms. So platforms like Binance P2P, Bybit P2P, Paxful, or even Bitget allows you to list offers or respond to them. You can become a merchant or a regular user trading directly with the merchant, but not the platforms. You are just using the exchanges as the platforms to trade on. So how do you make money with P2P trading? Basically, here you buy crypto at a low price and sell it at a higher one, and you profit from the spread or the price difference. So let me tell you a quick story here. There was a time when the Kenya shillings versus the US dollar value dropped. I noticed something interesting. I could buy USDT at the rate of 150 Kenya shillings and sell it at the rate of 160 on the P2P trading section. So I tried it, bought around $100, flipped it, and earned around 1,000 Kenya shillings in a few minutes. So I kept going and going and going and increased my volume and made over 10,000 Kenya shillings in just a weekend with a simple phone transaction. And don't forget, this was all from home, no technical chat, just market awareness. Okay, next to arbitrage trading. What is arbitrage trading? So, this is about the price difference between markets. For example, if Bitcoin is $100 higher on one exchange than the other, you buy on the cheaper exchange and sell on the other exchange. I don't know if you noticed the difference there with P2P. On P2P trading, you are using one platform. You are buying and trading with users on one platform. But with arbitrage, you're dealing with different exchanges. There are also regional arbitrage, like the difference between countries or currency, or cross-pair arbitrage, using Bitcoin, Ethereum, or USDT conversions. For this, you'll need multiple exchanges account, fast actions, and low fees to profit. There was this time I noticed that USDT was cheaper on OKX than it was on Binance. So I bought $500 worth of USDT on OKX and transferred it to Binance. With this, I was able to sell it at a profit of around 3%, which was $15. I would say this is not bad for a 10-minute or so work, but it requires fast transfers, low fees, and knowing when and where the price gaps are. So arbitrage trading is doable, but it's a bit more technical than P2P because you see you need to research, you need to do some digging and know which platform you can sell or buy crypto at a price difference compared to the other one. So let's focus on the key features and the difference between P2P trading and arbitrage trading. Okay, on P2P trading, you are using one platform. You are doing all the activities on one exchange. Whether it's Binance, you are focusing on Binance. Whether it's Bitget, it's Bitget. But with arbitrage trading, you are dealing with two or more exchanges. It's all about observing and knowing the price differences between these platforms and taking advantage of the price difference. The next difference is skills needed. On P2P trading, you just use basic skills, but on arbitrage trading, you need some sort of advanced skills. Let's say intermediate skills, and you're good to go with the arbitrage trading. As for the risk level, on the P2P trading, you can see there is low to medium risk. But don't forget, getting scammed is possible on P2P trading, although the risk and the chances are low to medium. As for the arbitrage trading, the risk levels are medium. Because here, the prices shift and you might have some delays because you're moving crypto from one platform to another. Let's go on to the profit margin. What's the difference between P2P trading and arbitrage trading? On the P2P trading, you are most likely to get 1 to 5% profit per trade. Also, on the arbitrage trading, you are most likely to get 1 to 3% per gap, the price difference that is. Another difference between P2P and arbitrage is the speed. On P2P trading, you can do it so fast because it's on the same platforms. What about the arbitrage trading? You can do it also as well fast, but you need to be alert and keen. So with the 5 differences that I've given you on P2P trading and arbitrage trading, what can you conclude? What can you say about it? First, I would say that the P2P trading is best for flexible people with local payment method. As for the arbitrage, it's best for people who can monitor price and move fast. You need speed here. I know you might be wondering, so which one should you start with? I would say if you are just starting out, start with the P2P. It's simple, flexible, and you can earn consistently without advanced tools. But if you are already using multiple exchanges and understand the price movement, arbitrage can give you extra profit. Whichever you choose, just start small, keep record, and don't be greedy. This market doesn't appreciate greed. So now that I've elaborated and explained P2P and arbitrage trading, which one fits your style best? Let me know in the comment below. I'll always enjoy hearing how you are navigating the crypto space. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, share to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss another beginner-friendly crypto lesson. I'm Antoniette Tee, and I've worked with global exchanges like MEXC and Bitget Global as a community builder, helping thousands of people understand and earn with crypto. And now here, I'm here to do the same for you. In the next video, I'll walk you through live P2P trading step by step using a real account, so you can follow along and trade confidently. Thank you so much for watching Crypto with Antoniette Tee, and I'll see you in the next one. In the meantime, please consider watching more videos on the channel.